Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I'm Samantha.
I'm Paige. I'm Emma, and today we're unboxing Candy Club.
We are unboxing our very first Candy Club. We have never seen one of these. We have never opened one of these, so we do not know what's inside. What we do know is that there's two options. There's a fun box and a party box. We don't know which one this is, so we'll find out.
They just sent us it.
You select your candy profile by either mostly sweet or mostly sour. Then you discover what's in your box, and they donate 2% of each of these purchases to the Birthday Party Project. And I am so in love when boxes have a nonprofit or an organization or some way they're supporting others. So here we go. Let's see if it shares here. The fun box has six 6-ounce candies, and the party box has 6 13-ounce candies. Pricing and coupons and all that good stuff I'll put in the info below. So if you want to know that, slide down there. Okay, so we have
Candies!
6 12-ounce tubs.
And
Didn't I just tell y'all 6 13-ounce?
These are watermelon slices. This one is Rainbow Bites. What about this one?
Yep, grab it.
Sour Pink
Cadillacs.
Cadillacs. Tropical Drops. They don't even look tropical. Lemonade rings. Wow. Mango Sour Belts.
So this is what it looks like afterwards. Now I am noticing that these have sorry Paige, let me scoot that over there. These are reusable. You can use these to play with afterwards, or we can store food in that. That's pretty nice.
I'll use this one for food.
Discrepancy.
That one for food.
It says the party box comes with 6 13-ounce cups. This one's 9 ounces. This is 11 ounces. This is 9 ounces. This is 11 ounces. 12 ounces and 11 ounces. So interesting enough.
Can we start with the rainbow?
Right. Yeah, open it.
Oh.
Which one do you want to do first?
There's a sticker.
I want to do first.
There's a sticker.
I want to do this one first.
Okay.
Oh, it says what the rainbow bites are. Tingly rainbow striped nibs filled with a core of sweet vanilla cream. Ow! Now that hurts. Ooh, look at it.
You want one, Paigey?
I'll do that one last for me.
Sweet, not sour.
So it does not have high fructose corn syrup in it, so I can eat one.
Lucky mommy. Now I'm gonna try Tropical Drops.
Oh my god.
A multi of pineapple
You'll do next time.
and coconut flavored meat with this tangy true drop of paradise.
Good reading. Oh, that is really, really good. I love sour. Don't know. So that's gonna be hard to beat that one. That was really good.
That was really, really sweet.
So this is the Tropical Drop.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Let's try one.
Here, Paige. Try one.
Looks okay.
Okay, let's see if Mommy can have one. Yeah? Okay.
It tastes really tropical, actually. I know. At the end, it tastes so.
It's very, very pineapple and coconut.
Oh yeah.
So if you like pineapple and coconut, you will like this. I feel like I just squirted sunscreen in my mouth. Take one, Emma.
Ooh.
These are the Sour Pink Cadillac, juicy berry, cherry, and blackcurrant caddies tossed in a zany sour sugar.
What is
Okay, no high fructose corn syrup, so I can eat it.
This looks like a car. What is it actually?
The Cadillac car, it's a type of car.
Oh.
These are watermelon slices. Plump, juicy gummies bursting with bold watermelon flavor. You have to finish that one still.
It tastes so weird. No, this one's good actually. not a big fan. Thank you.
Watermelon. Not like, so like this has a very much like a Sour Patch Kids heavy sugar. This is really light.
Wow, this is
I
like
got
watermelon.
the next one
This
again.
is really a watermelon.
Looks like one too, huh?
I got the next one.
Okay, go for it.
Second favorite. Got one.
We can share one.
No, we definitely need to. I think.
This is a mango sour belt, a succulent sour belt loaded with juicy mango flavor.
My favorites
I don't
are
like
this one.
This is my favorite so far.
No, it's mine.
And
It can be
that.
both of ours.
Wait,
So,
we haven't tried this one yet.
yeah, let's go for it. Are you gonna finish that?
Mom, after this, can we eat some of
This is a lemonade ring, a juicy ring in classic strawberry and pomegranate flavors.
Mom, after,
This one says non-GMO on it, and it does not have high fructose, so I can try it. What's up?
after
your day.
I'm
can
doing
we
this one.
eat some of the favorites?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the red one.
I'm gonna do a red one.
Okay, then I'll swap to pink, so we can try the different flavors.
I want to pee.
You do pink,
Yeah.
I'll do yellow. Okay, so you have pomegranate, you have strawberry, and I have lemonade.
Good.
Let's each take a bite of everyone's.
Try.
Very, very, very strawberry.
It tastes just like lemonade, like drinking lemonade.
Come
Am
on.
I actually
I'm
drinking
trying
lemonade?
lemonade.
No, Mom needs to. Oh, that's actually lemonade. I guess this is.
That tastes like pink lemonade, or like strawberry lemonade.
It does.
I hope.
Least favorite. Boom.
My least favorite are.
The pomegranate has the lightest flavor. That's good.
Two
Okay,
least favorites. Actually, kind of like this one a lot.
so what is your absolute least favorite? Least? That means you don't like it. Least favorite means you do not like it.
This is my least.
That's my least.
That one and that one.
I can't believe
Yeah.
I ate the whole thing.
I mean, both of these are my least. What are your absolute favorites? I'm with you on that. This is my absolute favorite.
No, it's mine.
These are really good. Well, we can share. You like it because it says rainbow on it.
I love it.
All right. I'm going to link below all the information on pricing, the two options, any coupons and discounts I have. Feel free to hit us up for questions. All of this stuff is made with cane sugar and tapiocas. I'm impressed over and over as I was reading these. There's some gelatin in there. There are some red food dyes, so you have to watch allergies there. But it's not made with a lot of crap like high fructose corn syrup. I'm really, really thankful because otherwise I would not be eating these if that were the case. So, very impressed. All right, Candy Club, thank you so much. Hey guys, we have videos releasing all the time.
Yes.
So if you can, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions for Emma and Paige, leave them in the comments below. All right, guys, we'll see you later.
Bye.